Well, sorry for my bad English, but I was waiting for this to make some videos, and because I want there's an ocarina this, and I bought it from uh, a page that I will leave you the link in the description. And I was waiting for this to combine with the piano and make some nice tunes with this. And this is a Zelda Ocarina, the Ocarina of Time. Well, give me a moment. And that's it. It sounds quite good. So, and it's from ceramic, and it has a nice design. And the next video is the Zelda Lullaby, and I have the piano part recorded, but I have to record with the ocarina, and I will do it this afternoon. I try. So see you later.